guys, Smash Mashed Potato here,
and we're making
super small slime. And today we'll be making fluffy slime. Okay, so first we're gonna add Elmer's glue.
We're gonna add Elmer's glue so it reaches the whole bottom of our tiny containers.
Let's just do that right now. It was really hard getting it all in that container. It was big.
Okay, I got mine. And next we're gonna add some food coloring.
What food coloring would you like?
I'll do yellow.
Okay, yellow's a cool color. I will do blue.
Make sure to only put 1 drop in, or else it would stain your hands.
We've had that happen before. I put a little bit too much in. But when we add the shaving cream, it will get much lighter.
So you might need to add an extra color when you do shaving cream.
Yeah, but if you make it really dark, then, and if you want it really light, then it will make it lighter when you add the shaving cream. But we don't add tons of shaving cream because our shaving cream kind of makes it liquidy, the brand that we have. So, yeah, let's add the shaving cream now.
Mine looks like the sun.
Mine looks like the moon.
Okay, you want to add your shaving cream. Take your little spoon out and just make a big spoonful like that.
Yeah, I think that's good. Here, you can add yours.
Okay, I got mine.
Ew.
Got on you?
Yeah. Okay, that's good. Just add that in somehow. Okay, so you guys, mine's turning lighter. Looks really cool now.
I need to get it off my finger.
I had it on my finger too. Now I need to leave my finger out. Mine's like really dark. I feel like it's gonna stain me.
Mine looks like pastel yellow.
That's really pretty yellow. I like that. Okay, so next, guys, we are going to add our special ingredient that we always add, silver glitter. Oh, we love silver glitter. So this will make it look like a moon, kind of. Just don't add too much. That's a lot. Here, you want me to add it for you?
I got it.
Okay. So mine's gonna look like the moon, and it's gonna look like the sun. We didn't even plan this out. That's a little bit. You should add more.
Yeah, I think I should add more.
Yeah, keep going. Just so.
There you go.
Yeah, that's good.
Got enough.
Okay, so guys, I'm done mixing around my glitter. So I'm gonna add the special ingredient, Borax mixture.
And if you haven't been washing, we make the borax mixture with water and borax.
And we add at least, like, I would say half a teaspoon of borax.
To make this, but on these, we add like a couple drops.
Yes. And also, guys, if you're making a bigger one, I would suggest you add more borax because we're just making super small slimes. So, yeah, I think I might need more. I think this is going to stain my hands a lot. I hope it doesn't stain my hands. Like the last video that you did, when you made a blue one, it stained your hands a lot.
Yeah.
I just really hope this does not stain my hands because my hands are precious.
Mine's like liquidy kind of.
Did you add too much borax mixture?
Ooh.
Ew. It looks so gross.
I'm going to add some more shaving cream and glue.
Why more shaving cream and glue?
It makes it better if you add too much mixture.
Yeah, I think that's good. You don't want to add too much. Whoa, guys, this is really good slime. I mean, it's not that sticky and all. It's usually as sticky as our other slimes that we make. But this is really good slime, guys. So I say this is a success. What do you say about yours? Well, you didn't take yours out of the container yet, but what do you think about it so far?
It's actually pretty good.
It looks liquidy to start off with because he probably didn't add enough glue or shaving cream or borax mixture. just always remember, like, don't add too much shaving cream because it can turn it liquidy. And if you do add too much shaving cream, you can just add some more Elmer's glue or whatever glue you're using.
And also, if you don't add enough, you can just add some easily. Oh, I think mine's really good.
Wow, that looks like the sun. Mine looks like the moon. And this isn't staining my hands too bad. I mean, it stains a little bit, see guys?
Mine's kind of
But
still.
it doesn't stain very badly.
Yeah, mine's kind of still sticking because I just got it out.
Yeah, mine's not sticking anymore. When I like put it out of the container, it didn't stick at all.
I'm gonna go grab the containers real quick.
Okay, here we go. We can put them in here.
I'll go pop mine in.
Whoop. I missed. Okay, guys, and that's done for this week's video. Bye. Bye.